How to block screenshot on WhatsApp. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To block the screenshot on WhatsApp, you can tap open your WhatsApp application in your device. So right over here, you cannot actually block screenshot on the chat feed. However, if you wish to block screenshot on the images that you send to the person, you can do so quite easily. If you don't know how, let me go ahead and guide you through the process. At the bottom, you will see the camera icon. You need to click on it first and foremost. Then either click on a photo or upload from the gallery. Then at the side, to add a caption, you will see the one icon, that is the timer icon, that will set it to view once. Once you send it, now the photo will be displayed only once, and the user to whom you have sent it won't be able to take a screenshot or even screen record it. However, the feature is not available to block screenshot on the entire chat feed, but certain media that you set as view once. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.